In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customized study plan using ChatGPT for your upcoming math exam. If you're looking to get organized and make the most of your study time, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so using your account information. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. But for now, let's assume you've got that all set. Once you're logged in, you'll see a chat box right at the center of the interface. This is where the magic happens. Now, to start crafting your study plan, think about the details you want to input. For this example, let's say you're preparing for a math exam, and you want a 4-week study plan to ensure you're thoroughly prepared. Go ahead and type your request succinctly in the chat box. You might say something like, "Create a 4-week study plan for preparing for a math exam." Be sure to include specifics like the exam date, how many hours you can dedicate each day, and key topics that you need to focus on. The more detailed you are, the better the plan will cater to your needs. Now, once you've hit enter, take a moment to review the suggested study plan ChatGPT provides. This initial plan is generated based on the details you've shared, so make sure to read through it carefully to see how it aligns with your schedule and objectives. Remember, ChatGPT's suggestions are flexible. This means you can personalize the plan even further with follow-up prompts. For instance, if you realize that weekends are your best opportunity for review, simply type something like, "Add more review time on weekends," and ChatGPT will adjust your study plan accordingly. These interactions can fine-tune the plan to better accommodate your strengths and address any areas where you might need extra reinforcement. Finally, once you're satisfied with the adjusted study plan, it's crucial to save or copy it somewhere handy. You can easily take a screenshot, copy and paste the text into a document, or even write it down. Having this reference will make it easier to stick to your schedule and keep you accountable. Consistency is a major key to successful studying, and having your plan accessible will go a long way in helping you manage your time effectively. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've set yourself up with a structured approach to tackling your math exam using the power of AI. Take advantage of the personalized plan, stay committed, and you'll be well prepared when exam day arrives. Thanks for watching, and good luck with